clase. What is a man? Siempre contesta.
Hey, wait a minute.
You're a phony!
Fix that phony!
Senor Butthead.
Yes, and you call him Butthead despite the fact that it is obvious to Beavis.
I don't care.
Senor Butthead. ¿Coco es bueno? Doritos?
No!
Senor Beavis. ¿Coco es bueno?
Spaghetti!
That is the scariest fucking thing I have ever seen in my entire life.
Later. Our pencils are hard.
That didn't hurt.
Twinks are for sex and they all are the same gender. Therefore, we can say that twinks are identical.
What are you talking about?
Moments later.
Shut up! You! Four glasses are sick.
Oh man, my mouth was open!
What the hell's wrong with you? Your skin's like moving around or something.
I believe I'm having some sort of seizure.
That's not funny, you sick fuck.
You are both suspended for a week.
Cool.
No!
5 minutes later. The next morning.
So, Beavis and Butt, I made a little arrangement to let Mr. McVicker's ass.
I should have kept that story to myself.
No annoying sounds.
Will you two shut up?
Are you Peter? Are you a puppet? Are you puppet, Peter? Are you the fairy godmother? You scroungy little fuck! Best square yourself, or I will skull fuck you until you die.
Can you, like, shut up? Whoa, that was cool.